What if I told you that the future of advanced materials is at risk because of A? This isn't just a dramatic claim, it's a pressing reality. In our relentless pursuit of efficiency and precision, we often overlook the lurking dangers of cutting-edge technology. The rise of AI in lithographic processes is revolutionary, but it brings significant risks that could jeopardize everything. Are you prepared to face the consequences? Imagine machines crafting intricate designs with flawless accuracy. Sounds amazing, right? But what if that perfection conceals peril? The very algorithms designed to enhance our creations could introduce critical flaws in materials. You might think, that won't happen to me. But consider this: even a minor error in lithography could lead to catastrophic failures in industries like aerospace and electronics. Picture a spacecraft compromised by faulty components, all due to unnoticed AI errors. It's a chilling prospect. Let's dig deeper. The AI systems we trust to optimize these processes can misinterpret data, resulting in replicas that deviate dangerously from the original design. It's like a game of broken telephone, except the stakes are life and death. What happens when that misinterpretation slips by unnoticed until it's too late? This issue isn't just about machines failing, it's also about the human oversight that's often disregarded. Engineers and technicians, overly reliant on AI, may place blind faith in technology. The moment we stop questioning is when we invite disaster. Now, consider the advanced materials we depend on daily. From your smartphone to your car, they all rely on flawless lithographic methods. What if those methods begin to falter? The fallout could be catastrophic. As we navigate this complex interplay of technology and trust, remember, caution is non-negotiable. The solution is to abandon AI, but to refine our integration of it. A blend of human intuition and machine precision could be our best safeguard. Before we continue, reflect on the dangers of ignoring these warning signs. The next time you hear about groundbreaking advancements, ask yourself, what are the hidden risks? Stay vigilant, stay informed, and don't let the allure of technology blind you to its potential threats. Imagine a world where machines create incredible masterpieces, yet hidden beneath the surface are dangers that could reshape our understanding of advanced materials. You might be wondering, how can something so advanced pose a threat? Let's explore this further. When we think of lithography, we envision precision and perfection. However, as AI takes charge, something crucial is being overlooked. There's a growing concern in the industry that many dismiss the risks tied to replicating these complex processes. What happens when machines misinterpret the subtle nuances of material science? Imagine stepping into a cutting-edge lab filled with state-of-the-art equipment. Everything appears flawless, but a tiny miscalibration could mean the difference between a groundbreaking material and a catastrophic failure. Picture unboxing your latest tech gadget only to discover it's not just defective, but potentially hazardous. This is merely a hypothetical situation. As AI learns from data, it can make errors that human experts would likely catch. It's like having a talented artist who lacks the experience to critique their own work. The consequences could be far more serious than we'd like to admit. These overlooked risks can lead to failures in critical sectors like pharmaceuticals, aerospace, and renewable energy. Consider the implications: a minor mistake could result in a medical device that malfunctions or a solar panel that can't endure environmental challenges. So, where does this leave us? The tension is palpable. As we push forward with innovation, we must pause to reflect: what are we sacrificing for speed? Are we trading safety for efficiency? But don't lose hope just yet. There are ways to address these risks. By fostering collaboration between AI and human expertise, we can create a safety net. Imagine a future where technology enhances human insight instead of replacing it. As we navigate this complex landscape, let's keep one crucial point in mind: the future isn't just about what we can create, but also about ensuring that what we create is safe. Stay alert, stay informed, and always question the process. The next major breakthrough may depend on it. If you found this thought-provoking, stick around. The world of advanced materials is just beginning, and there's so much more to discover. What if I told you that the future of advanced materials might hinge on a technology we barely grasp? Sounds dramatic, right? Yet, there's a concerning side to lithography and AI that's gradually emerging. Many view AI as a magical fix, simplifying our lives and solving problems instantly. But what if the very processes designed to drive innovation also come with hidden risks? The dangers of AI in replicating lithographic processes are lurking beneath the surface, ready to catch us off guard. Imagine a startup claiming it can revolutionize manufacturing with AI-driven lithography, promising precision and efficiency. But what happens when these algorithms make decisions based on incomplete data? Suddenly, the cutting-edge materials we depend on could become flawed and unreliable, not just wasting time and money, but potentially creating real dangers. Now, picture yourself in a lab, eager to test new materials. What you might not realize is that the AI guiding the lithography process is making assumptions. It's not just a machine, it plays a crucial role in your safety. How often do we pause to consider the unseen consequences of our reliance on technology? Here's the kicker: some AI systems are trained on outdated or biased data. This isn't just a minor issue, it's a fundamental risk. The more we trust these systems, the deeper we dig ourselves into a hole. As we pursue efficiency, the potential for catastrophic failure grows larger. Think back to the last time you used a new piece of technology. It felt like magic at first, didn't it? But what if you discovered it was built on shaky ground? You'd want to know, right? Yet, many in the industry are too quick to embrace these advancements without asking the tough questions. As we strive to create advanced materials, we need to stay vigilant. We need to The excitement of speed and precision can sometimes overshadow critical thinking. So what can we do? Start